All right, y'all. So of the hundreds of comments that I got under that W-4 video, basically saying you are in control of the taxes that come out of your paycheck, there was a few comments like this. Don't be surprised when you owe at the end of the year and don't get a refund and blah, blah, blah. Okay. Number one, if you owe at the end of the year, that was your decision. If you don't get a refund, which a refund, guys, is not a flex. It just means you overpaid taxes. That's also your choice, especially if you're used to getting a refund. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, let's start here on the IRS website, okay? When you use the tax withholding estimator tool, which I recommend and the IRS highly recommends, read this here. Use this tool to estimate the federal income tax you want your employer to withhold from your paycheck, okay? This is a tax withholding. See how your withholding affects your refund, take-home pay, or tax due. They're literally telling you that on the front end before you even go through the tool. Okay, so as mentioned in so many of my other W-4 videos, y'all, they are all pinned to the top in a W-4 playlist. When you make it to the final step of this tool, it is going to tell you, okay, if you are projected a refund. When you scroll up, there is a slider tool. You can say, oh, I want all that $5,000 in the form of a refund. And it's going to tell you what to put on your W-4. If you say, no, I want half of that throughout the year and the other half in the form of a refund, you can do that. Slide this tool and it tells you what to put on your paper W-4 form before you turn it into your employer. If you decide, I don't want a refund at all, I want all of my money throughout the year, guess what? That decision is yours. This is what I mean by you are in control. And it doesn't mean that you're not paying taxes. They're literally telling you your tax obligation as well. Guys, quit playing with me. Like, I know what I'm talking about.